Hi, I'm going to be unboxing NCT Resonance Part 2. I have the arrival version and the departure version. The departure version was late, so yeah, they gave me these stickers since they were late. So these are super cute. Yeah, I think SM added this since it was delayed. So I'm going to open up this version first. So I have 4 copies of each. So first I'll go through the photo book and then go through everything else. So the sticker is on the plastic, so yeah, I'll save that. So here's the front, side, and the back. So you open it up. I saw my photo card because it was right in the front, but I'll just leave it for later. So this is the CD. That looks cool. There's a track list. It's like the airport theme. So yeah, they reprinted this album because there was like some mistakes in it. So I'm gonna go through this quickly since yeah, I got this pretty late, so. This is too cute, this picture. And this one. That is so cute. Oh, that's cute. So that's the ending of this photo book. So I did see my photo card already. It's a card that I really wanted. But I'll go through this first. These are the stickers. These are random too. I think there's 3 types. So I got these members. Catboy Henry. And then we have the ad. And then the poster. The poster. So cute. It's very glossy. It's cute. So for the photo card, I got Jisung. This one is so cute. I love this photo card. It's so cute. So, and then I did not see this ID card, so let's see who that is. Oh, it's Renjun. Yay. My sister got this too. Did you get this one?
Yeah.
So hopefully this is not in all the albums because I don't want to trade them. But this is cute. I like this ID card. It's thick. So now I'm gonna go through my other copies for the photocard pulls. Okay. Oh, Coon.
Oh my god.
My sister got this one too, so.
It's cute.
I got Coon. Hopefully, like, every other album doesn't have all. This is a different sticker sheet. There's Taeyong. Taeyong is my bias, so I got a different sticker sheet set. That's good. And then, oh, Taeyong, yes! He's my bias, so that's cool. I got Taeyong. That's so cute. Okay, so next one. Who is this? Is it Kun? Oh, Chenla. That's cute though. Oh my god. Different one, so that's good. Cute.
Who is it?
Chenla. Then the sticker sheet set is the same one as the second one I just showed. So. The ID card. Oh my god, Jungwoo. Yay. This sweater is so cute. So I'm getting different ones. That's good. So next one. Oh, another Chenla. Okay, so I got one dupe. And this is the same sticker set as the last two. And then, oh, I got Yuta's ID card. Yay. So I got all different ID cards, but one dupe photo card, so that's okay. So I'll be trading that Chenla. So I have more copies from Target coming. So these are my pulls for the departure version. And now I'll move on to the arrival version. Go through the arrival version. This one doesn't have a sticker on it. So this is the front cover, side, and the back. I think this might be my favorite one, this concept, and they're like faces in the front. If I get Taeyong in this album, I'm gonna scream. Okay, so this is the CD. It looks similar to the other one, just the little thing is different color. So there's a track list. Oh yeah, I like this concept a lot. Oh, that's cute. Jaehyun and Winwin. Jaehyun, oh my god. Yeah, I like this concept a lot. Jaehyun. I was hoping they would make a new song for the music video, but they just blended in all the songs and added Raise the Roof. But it's still good. It was like a really interesting video. And they all look so good in this album. Oh my god, Jaehyun looks so good. Jungwoo. Taeyong, oh my god, he looks great. Yeah, these pictures are really nice quality. There's another unit. Here's a track list. These pages look kind of cool. I like how they put pictures on the side too. Cute. That is the ending. That is so cute with the little rooms. So now I'm gonna go through the other stuff. You got a poster. It's a glossy poster again. It's like the little units that were in the photo book. It's cute. And then you get a sticker sheet again. Is it random? Might be a different type, but I have this one. And then you get the ad again. It's the same as like the other ad. So for the photo card, oh, I got Xiaojun. That's cute. His red suit. And then I saw this. It's Lucas. Yay! He's my wavy bias. These are really pretty. They're like hollow. It has their name in the back. It's cute. So I'm gonna go through my extra copies now. I got Lucas! Yay! Oh my god, he's so cute. That's such a cute photo card. Cute. These stickers are different. There's like different poses, so I guess there is different ones, but let me see if I could find the access card, if it's even in here. I don't think this one has access card. Probably a printing error. I'm not too mad about it. So this one, oh, I got Jamin with this black hair. That's so cute. I'm pulling a lot of Dream, which I usually don't. And for this, oh, I got Lucas. So this is a dupe. Yeah, I didn't get the access card on the other one. The sticker set is the same as the second one I had. Last one. Oh, another Lucas. I got dupe Lucas. This is the same sticker set. And another Lucas access card.
Oh,
This is very Lucas. Lucas pulls. What a Lucas. So I got 3 Lucas access cards, 2 of his cards, and Jamin and Xiaojun. So those are my pulls for this version. And that is the end of the video. I will be getting the Kihno, so I'll do an unboxing on those. But yeah, thanks for watching.